CX semi-automatic perfume pump sprayer crimping capping machine is suitable for perfume and other product bottles. Metal spray crimping capping. Fully pneumatic design, safe for you to use under perfume production. Machine is adjustable for different height of bottles. Crimping, capping head of machine is also easy to change. One machine, multiple different kinds of product. World famous pneumatic parts, advanced design. CE certification, meets the GMP standard. Thank you for your watching, and please do not hesitate to contact us for further information. CX Pack, your most ideal, trusted and professional packing machines supplier.